Hi guys, so today I wanted to show you guys another lovely custom creation that we did here at Magic Hair Company. This client wanted a 1B full lace wig, and then when we got it, she wanted it lifted just a little bit. So this is our full lace wig right here in deep body wave, and we custom did this color for her. She wanted just a little bit of color, not too much. She said she wanted a mixture of like a number 4, number 6, and then she still wanted us to keep the root. So we kept the root, a 1B here, and let's see. So you guys can definitely see we kept the root, the natural 1B there, and then we just went down with the color just a little bit, and we created this custom 14-inch deep body wave lace wig for her. So if you are looking for a custom wig and you want it custom colored, you want to order a specific density, a specific length, a specific texture, we here at Magic Hair Company can do that for you. We'll of course cut this lace for her when she's ready to come in. This is the natural hairline right here. So this is the standard hairline on all of our wigs. It does have baby hair that you can pull out, and we do pre-bleach the knots. You can definitely change this part wherever you want. And yeah, we have the best wigs around. So this is our most popular texture here, our deep body wave. We also do have our amazing product line here. This is what I highly recommend to hydrate your wavy or curly hair. Just add this in a spray bottle with a little bit of water, and it is great. It's good for your skin too. I know when I first came out with this product line, I hated using different curly and wavy hair products because I have very sensitive skin. But then I formulated this keratin shampoo and conditioner and my curl definer, which is amazing. And then we also have edge tamer. All of these products are available at magichaircompany.com. Let us custom make a beautiful wig for you today. Come in, shop with us in our Culver City store. We do custom color, custom installation. We are your one-stop shop custom wig store. We only have the best quality hair available. We have straight, silky straight, kinky straight, body wave, deep body wave, curly, kinky curly. Yeah, this is the inside construction on our wigs here. You can see we have this it's like a fake scalp here, so you do not have to wear a cap under your wig if you don't want. We have this comb here for security that prevents the wig from sliding back. There's also 2 combs right next to the ear, 1 comb in the back here, as well as our Magic Hair Company label. So if you are getting your wig from somewhere and they're telling you it's a Magic Hair Company wig, if it does not have the label in it, it's not a Magic Hair Company wig. We also have this adjustable and removable strap right here. It's adjustable here and removable on each end right here. And then there's another adjustable strap right here in the back on both sides. So definitely shop with Magic Hair Company. If you're looking for a quality unit, we will take care of you. We have the best quality here in our Culver City store, where you can handpick a unit or we can custom order you a wig. I'm Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company, and I look forward to helping you with all of your hair loss solution and custom wig needs. We'll see you soon. Bye guys.